So today we will learn about difference between Milli and Moore mission. Okay, Milli and Moore mission with simple example. Okay, with simple example. So for this, I am designing state diagram for one's complement. State diagram for one's complement. Okay, state diagram for one's complement. So by designing this, we can understand Milli and Moore. Okay. So what is one's complement? Whenever we give input, ones becomes zero, zero becomes one. So 1 0 1 0 I given. So what is one's complement of this one? 1 0 1 0. Right? This is the one's complement. Right? One more example. Triple 1 0 means we get 0 0 1. 1 1 1 means we get all zeros, right? These are the ones complement means ones become zero, zero becomes one. Means how many states we require? Only single state, right? Only single state is required. So I am designing single state. So we have only one state. So the state is denoted with the capital A. Okay, capital A. So what we have to do, I have drawing. We have to perform one's complement using state diagram. Okay. So I am taking state A. For this state A, I am giving input 0. For this state A, I am giving input 0. Okay. What happens? Output will be 1. Right? Input 0 means output is 1. Right? We have only single state here, so we will stay here only. We will stay here only. So input is 0, output is 1. Input is 0, output is 1. Okay. Now I am giving input 1. Now I am giving input 1. What is output? Output is 0. Right? Output is 0. So we remaining in same state only. We remaining in same state only. So output input is 1, output is 0. I already said the transition is labeled with alpha by beta. Alpha means input, beta means output. Okay. So this is the state diagram of one's complement. Now the state diagram is Milli or Moore? The state diagram is Milli or Moore? Let us see. The output, see, the output we getting 1 or 0, right? This 1 or 0 is depends on input. See, this one output 1 is depends on input as well as state, right? As well as state. So this state diagram is Milli mission. Okay, this state diagram is Milli mission. Okay, because see here it is depends on input as well as state. So it is a Milli mission. Now I want Moore mission. How to draw the Moore mission? Moore. How it is Moore? See, in Moore, output is depends on state only. Output is depends on state only, right? Okay. How many outputs are coming here? We have only two outputs, that is 1 and 0, right? That is 1 and 0. So here I am considering two states. What are those? Output is always 1 and output is always 0. I am taking two states. So A with output 0. This is one state. Okay. Next A with the output 1. This is another state. Okay. We have two states, right? We have two states. Means output with 0, output with 1. For every state, we taking 1 bit input only, right? For every state, we taking 1 bit input only, right? This is 1 bit. At a time, we taking 1 bit input only. Okay. So for each state, now we have two states, A by 0, A by 1. What is A by 0? Output is 1. A by 0 is output is, sorry, A by 0 means output is 0. A by 1 is output is 1. Okay. Now you are at here. Now you are in this state. Let us assume this is initial state. Okay. This is initial state. You are at initials. I said already. FSM, you have to consider initial state also, one of the important property. So I am considering this one as initial state. Now you are in initial state. So in initial state, you can give starting 0 or 1. See, in this example, starting value is because you have to start from LSB to MSB only. You have to start from LSB to MSB only. So initial value is 0. Sometimes initial value may be 1. So suppose I am taking input 0. Okay. I am taking input 0. What is output? Output is 1, right? Output is 1. So output 1 is available at which state? Here is only we get. So whenever input is 0, output is 1. Here we not mention beta because it the transition is depends on, see, output it depends on state only. It doesn't depends on input. Okay. The output it depends on state only, so that we not mentioning output here. Okay, we mentioning with respect to state only here. Here the output is represent with respect to input. Here we representing with respect to output, sorry, with respect to state. So we going to state. Okay, we going to state here. Now, again, I am here only, initial state, I am here only, suppose, okay, input is 1, input is 1. What is output? Output is 0, means you are staying here only. You are staying here only. You are staying here only. So what is the output here? What is input? 1. Output is 0. Input is 1, output is 0. Okay. Next, now you are in this state. Suppose you are in this state. Okay. See, you are in this state now. You are in this state because after 0, you coming to 1. See, you are coming to 1 here. Now you are available in this state. So for this state, I given input as 1. Input as 1. Input 1 means complemented output is what? 0. 0 is available here only. So whenever input 1, we getting output 0. Okay, output 0. So whenever input is 0, we getting output as 1. So we remain in same state only. We remain in same state only. Okay. This is the Moore mission. This is the Millie mission. Okay. So have you observed the differences? Have you observed here? What are the differences? See, in Millie mission, we have only one state. In Moore mission, we have two states, right? We have two states. This is the basic difference between Millie and Moore. Okay. Moore consists of more number of states. Millie consists of less number of states. Millie less number of states, more number of states. How many more? Only extra one. Only extra one. Observe here. Only extra one only available. We have extra one state only. Okay. Extra one state only. Let us see the working of this machine. How it works. See. Let us see the working. So this is the Millie mission, right? You can represent with single arrow and both output. 0 input, output 1. 1 input, output is 0. You can mention like this also. With single arrow, you can mention like this. Put comma and mention both in single arrow only. Because we are staying in these both conditions in A only. Okay? In A only. So this is Millie mission. Next, Moore A by 0, A by 1. Or you can represent A0, A1 as two states. Okay. You can mention any one. Or A0. Or you can mention A and here B. And you have to indicate them and mention here what is A0, what is A1. Okay. A0 means output is 0. Okay. A1 is output is 1. Okay. What happens? Whenever you give input 1, you will stay here. Input 0, you will go to here. This is the Moore state diagram. Okay. Now, let us see the working. I am giving series number like this. 11011. Find the ones complement. You already know what is ones complement. 00100. This is the answer. Let us see how it works. You have to go from LSB to MSB. You have to go from LSB to MSB. This is LSB, this is MSB. You have to go in this direction only. So what is the first input? 1. 1 is the first input. So I am giving 1 here. So what is output? We getting 0. Right? Now I am giving again input 1. You get 0. I am giving 0. We getting 1. Again 1. We getting 0. Again 1. We getting 0. Okay? Because here single state is available. So we get answer very fast. So Millie missions are very fast compared to Moore. Okay. Let us see same example here. 11001. So this is initial state, right? I am taking this one as initial state. Okay. Now I am giving input 1. So input 1. What is output? Input 1 means output is 0. And where you staying? You staying here only. You are staying here only. Next input is 1. Next input also 1. Output is 0. And you staying here only. You staying here only. Next input is 0. Next input is 0. So whenever input is 0, output is 1, and you are going here now. You are going to next state. What is next state? A1. You are now in A1. Okay. You are available now in A1. What is next input? 1. Okay. Now input you given is 1. What is output? 0. And again you are coming from A1 to A0. Again you coming from A1 to A0. Right? Next. Now you are available here. What is input? 1 is input. So whenever 1 is input, output is 0, and you are staying here only. You are staying here only. So here how many times you moved? From here to here to here, and again here. So it is somewhat slow compared to Mealy. Okay, somewhat slow compared to Mealy. So this is the main differences between Mealy and Moore. And this is the state diagram. State diagram. State diagram representation is very important. Okay. Now from this state diagram, we preparing the state table. We preparing the state table. Let us see the state table. I said in state table what we consist? Present state, next state, comma, output. The next state and this will belong from input only. X is equal to 0 and X is equal to 1. We have only one input, that is input is single variable, right? The input is single variable here, that will denoted with X. Okay, X may be 0 or 1. Okay, X may be 0 or 1. Okay, now we have only single state, so present state is A only. Okay, present state is A. Next state also A, because we have single state only. Next state also A for both conditions. So whenever input is 0, what is output? See, whenever input, this is output. Alpha by beta. Input, output. So what is input here? Input is 0. So whenever input is 0, these two are inputs, right? This row is called input row. Okay. X is equal to 0, X is equal to 1. Input row. This is called input row. So whenever X is equal to 0, we getting output 1. So A comma 1. Whenever input 1, output is 0. So A comma 0. This is the state table for Mealy mission 1's complement. Mealy mission 1's complement. Now same thing implement here. Moore mission 1's complement. State diagram. This one state table now. State table. Present state, next state, comma, Z. X is equal to 0, X is equal to 1. Here we have how many states? 2 states, right? A0, A1, right? A0, A1. For A0, output is always 0, right? For A0, output is always 0. For A1, output is always 1. So output is always 1. Next, check for inputs, because we have to represent state here. Whenever input is 0, see present state is A0, means you are staying here. Okay. Whenever input 0, we going for A1. Right? We going for A1. Whenever input 1, we staying in A0 only. A0. Okay. Next, come to A1. Whenever input is 0, we staying at A1 only. Whenever input is 1, we going to A0. We going to A0. We going to A0. So this is the state table for one's complement Mealy machine. Okay. Sorry, Moore machine. One's complement Moore machine. Okay. So by observing these two things, let us say the differences between Mealy and Moore. Mealy and Moore. The first one is output depends on input and state. Here output depends on state. Second one, less number of states required. Less number of states are required. Here more number of states required. More number of states required. Number 3, it is fast. It is slow. If they ask this question for 5 marks or 10 marks, explain with one example. Explain with one example. With one example. That example you can take one's complement state diagram or your wish. Okay. Explain with one example. Okay. If they ask for 2 short answer, you can represent these 3 points itself. Okay. And draw the block diagram. Block diagram. Block diagram. Okay. 5 points. Okay. Next, we will learn about 2's complement state diagram. And one more important, whatever we design FSM, okay, that is basically Mealy mission only. Okay, whatever we design, basically we start with the Mealy mission only. Okay, after that, according to our condition, we can convert into Moore. Okay, or whenever in question they ask particularly design Moore, you have to design Moore. FSM using Moore. Otherwise, defaultly we have to design Mealy mission only. Defaultly, you have to design Mealy mission only in exams. Whenever they particularly mention design FSM using Moore, then only you go for Moore. Otherwise, you have to design Mealy missions only. Okay, why Mealy mission? Less states and very fast. Okay, so we have to design mostly Mealy missions only. Okay, thank you.